Yeah, Harivardhan, tell me. Harivardhan is from Hyderabad, nearby Siddipet. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, today I came across a question which was previously asked in UPSC interview, sir.
Ah,
Sir, which is very confusing. Sir, the question was, what is the difference between famous and popular?
okay. Is India famous or popular?
Sir, according to my knowledge, India is famous in some aspects and popular in some aspects.
Yeah. Now you are clear about what I'm asking, right?
Sir, but is confusing, sir.
Yeah, that is how they ask. They will not ask a general, very, very
Sir, how
evident.
to reply, sir?
Eh?
How to reply to
Yeah,
that?
how, see, more than how to reply, how do you analyze such words is what I am trying to teach you. Not this alone. Tomorrow, anything comes, you must be able to
Answer.
answer. Not answering is not important. Understanding the difference. When somebody is famous, assume that I say that Amitabh Bachchan is famous. Why Amitabh Bachchan is famous? You go and ask everybody, everybody knows him. Okay. Is he popular? Yeah. In film field in India, he is popular. You understood the difference? Somebody recognize him as somebody great with some limited group of people when we call them as popular. It can be an item also. Andhra Mills is very popular in Guntur district. We will not say Andhra Mills is famous in. Understood? Somebody recognizes some item or a person that becomes popular. Popularity. I can gain popularity. That means among some people I am known. His class is very popular. That means in the college he is a non good teacher. But as a person he is famous. So fame is much higher, popularity is little less. When many people know, we call it as famous. A group of people for a very specific purpose, it is called popular. Clear, Harivardhan?
Yes, sir.
Harivardhan is from a small village. I went to his farm also 2 weeks back. He has got a problem of maybe some connection, or maybe he will not be able to. He is from Siddipet, little far from Hyderabad, 50 kilometers. I went to his farm 2 weeks back. So, what did you understand between famous and popular?
Famous, almost all people will know, and in popular, that particular area,
Yeah.
it will be
Pythagoras theorem is a popular theorem in mathematics.
mathematics.
So, I have to tell that in mathematics. That means only mathematics people know that.
Yes,
Got it?
yes,
Einstein is a famous scientist.
yes,
Because even if somebody doesn't study physics, they will know Einstein.
yes.
That is the difference. So, how do I, when a word comes, popular and famous, how do I learn the difference between them? That's what one question asked in UPSC during the interview. So, how do you respond to that? Think about a situation. Pythagoras theorem is popular, Einstein is famous. Now you can explain it in your way. You cannot refer somewhere, read somewhere. I am just able to explain it because I take examples. That is the way to analyze. I am not giving answers to your question. I am only telling you how you have to analyze. Maybe I may be wrong in giving an answer, but I will teach you how to analyze it. Therefore, when you look at the dictionary also, you must look at the dictionary of famous. You should also look at dictionary meaning of popular, and then read and understand comparison. Understand. Learning is different, understanding is different. Okay. Why civil service people are looking at such detailed people who understands the difference? Because tomorrow you have to write a note. You should use the proper word. Otherwise, India's popularity will be defamed. Got it? And you must read somebody's textbook, some big files, which you will have to read and make a small note and then give it to minister.
Okay.
How do you present him? The word what you are using has to be very specific, brief. Big file, minister will not read. Minister's PA, personal secretary, office staff has to read, make a small note, and then one note while he is reading, he must understand the whole story.
Okay.
So you must know how to brief, correct?
Yes.
That is called briefing. Generally, before a meeting, Prime Minister will assume that Prime Minister is going to Taiwan tomorrow. And you are in the Prime Minister's office. You will be asked to travel with him. Then you will have to brief him. That's called a briefing. That briefing, you can do it only when you have a lot of knowledge about. You cannot refer textbook that time. You cannot read newspaper that time. So you must be a person who will understand everything. And you need not, the person who is briefing me, I am briefing Prime Minister, I will not even read. I will have another 10 secretaries under me. And each country wise I will have secretaries. 140 countries, each person will be assigned one country. His job will be only learning about it. But then after some time he will be shifted from that country to another country. A small secretary for Taiwan. A very big secretary for China. So when he get promoted, he will move from Taiwan to China. Then that secretary has to tell his junior, this is what I learned about Taiwan. You must be ready every day.
Okay.
So how good you are in transferring knowledge is important. How good you are in appreciating is also important. Otherwise you will not get, there is a personality test in UPSC. They are not looking whether you know popular and you know famous. They are looking how are you responding. How are you analyzing a problem. That is important.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may not know the equations, but you know how to make equations. You know how to analyze equations. Because you are from mathematics, assume you are writing mathematics. Definitely, if I am in the interview board, I will ask you the difference between analysis and algebra. Because you studied both, I will ask you which are the papers you studied. You told, from there only I explained, right?
Yes.
So what am I doing? I am comparing two words. Here famous and popular. What am I doing? Comparing two words. Why am I able to explain? Because I understand words. I am not learning words. There is a difference between learning and understanding. Suppose somebody asks you this. What is the difference between learning and understanding? Understand means you can explain to somebody else. Learning means you can write it.
Yes.
You cannot further explain it. Explanation requires understanding. I understand poverty. Learning about poverty is somebody's article you read and then write an examination. Yeah. Got it?
Yes.
I understand poverty means I also know how people.
Experience.
Yeah, the pain. I can explain to somebody else. Poverty means this. I can make a story around it. I can take examples. That will be mine. My example. When I learn something, I will learn what Ayana told or somebody told and I will copy it and then send.
Okay.
So you have to be a person who understands things.
Okay, sir. Yes. So